Hello, colleagues. All right, so up to this point, you would have seen how to add columns, how to add grades, and then how to update your mark sheet after you would have inputted your grades to the system. But as a subject teacher, as the time draws closer for the reporting period, you will also be required to input conduct and comment for each student that is supposed to be displayed for your subject on the student's report card. What I'm going to ask that you do in order to do this is to first and foremost select the subject that you're teaching, select the class that you're teaching, and then you're going to come to this undo update button. You select it, and the system will now allow you to input your conducts and your comment. So under conduct and comment, all you have to do is to select under that particular student that you want to enter for. So under conduct, you select the drop down arrow, and from the list of codes or comments that are being displayed there, you will select whichever one that applies to that particular student. So if the child's conduct is a very good one, you select very good. Under the other student, if the child's conduct is only just satisfactory, you select satisfactory. Or what you can also do, if it's the event where you know the codes from your head, you can also type them. So S is satisfactory, V full stop G is very good, and so on and so forth. Under comment, you select the arrow, but there is quite a bit of comments there that you have to actually read through and select based on what the comment is that you want to give per student, based on their performance or based on your observation of that student. For example, if this child is a focus student who has maintained a high standard of work, you would select that. The comments varies where the case where the child does not frequently come to school, the child is always absent, the child don't like to submit work. All that information is actually there. All you have to do is just scroll through and look for the comment that matches that particular child's personality, and you input it. In the event where you actually find several different comments that would apply to that one individual child, you can select them. So, for example, if this child does not do any tests, you select no tests. If the child is poorly organized as well, you select poorly organized. So what I'm going to ask you to do is to take note that as I select each comment that applies to the child, you would see the code that refers to that particular comment being displayed right there. So 31, comma 32. For example, the child is also easily distracted. I'm going to select it. The code for this particular comment is 36. You're going to see a comma and 36 come after 32. So, for example, those are the only comments that I feel refer to this child. So those 3 comments are actually displayed here. So what this will do on the report card, those 3 comments will be displayed on the child's report card. So after you have finished making your conduct and your comment on this child's information, you're going to go back to update the information again so that the information can be published to the child's report card. So that's it for now.